Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Audi 3-button remote key fob. The key fob battery is housed behind this cover here. First thing what we need to do is to get a screwdriver and release the case at the bottom of the key fob like so. Now, there is a very small catch that is housed behind the key fob blade there that we need to press to release the key fob cover, like so. There you go. And then prise the case open like that. And there you have it, your key fob battery. We get a smaller screwdriver now. And get underneath it to release it from its housing. We get our new key fob battery, which is with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We pop it back into the housing, like so. Make sure that the writing is facing upwards in its correct location. Now it's time to pop the cover back on. We line everything all up and we click it back in place. And there you go, we're good to go.